welcome back to my videos. Today I'm going to do another slime video because, well, why not? Look how perfect those beads are in there. Now, then, you take the top off that. Perfect. Perfecto. See, under it doesn't get the crunch. Oh, look at the back of this. It's purple. Purple. I have the most brilliant idea on planet Earth. This video that took 3 hours. More like voice recording, and it didn't take 3 hours. More like 20 minutes. But it seemed like a long time. The wind is so crazy outside right now. It's almost like it can knock down a tree. So go.